So today I wanted to share with you guys how I make our natural DIY hand soap. Hey guys, it's Jessie B from lifewithjessieb.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What you'll find here on my channel is I like to do essential oil education, natural lifestyle, home DIY projects, and a lot of home cooked meals. So if you're new, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. I try to post one new video every week, generally around Thursdays, but sometimes I try to put out bonus content too. So today I wanted to share with you guys how I make our natural DIY hand soap. We ran out in our kids' bathroom, so I figured I'd pop on here and record a video to show you guys how to make it. Super simple. It really only requires three ingredients that you probably already have on hand. And then there you have natural foaming hand soap. Going over the ingredients, the cast iron soap is going to be your cleaning element, and the fractionated coconut oil is going to act as a moisturizer in your hand soap, so that way it's a moisturizing foaming hand soap. And then the essential oils will also add to the aroma as well as some of the cleansing benefits. So to get started, I like to take my bottle and I put my funnel in. You don't have to use a funnel. I just like to do it because I'm not always accurate with pouring. So to get started, I'm going to start out with 3 tablespoons of cast iron soap. I have unscented. You can use scented if that's something you like. I like the unscented just because a lot of times I like to add in other ingredients to my soap, other oils, so I like to go with the unscented. So I add that in, and then I add in 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. And I will also link everything I'm using here today. I'll link it for you guys down below in the description. And then after you have those 2 ingredients in there, you want to add your essential oils. Today I'm going to be adding peppermint, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of tea tree. The peppermint has great cleansing qualities and it also smells really good. The lemon's great for cleaning, and the tea tree has amazing cleansing properties as well. I'm going to add probably 15 to 20 total. I'm going to add more of the peppermint and just a little bit of the other 2. Alright, and after I have all my oils added, I'm going to go ahead and put my funnel back in, and I'm just going to add water close to the top. You want to make sure not to add too much water because it is a foaming hand soap and you want to allow room for the foam. So I'm just going to slowly add in my water, and you can see it's already starting to foam up just as everything mixes. I think that's about good. So then I'm going to add my lid to it and give it a really good shake, and voila, foaming hand soap. So if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to catching you guys on the next one.